Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So let's start the comparison video of these two mobiles by comparing the display sizes. This Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile comes with a 6.8 inches of slightly bigger display, that is a Infinity O display, and it is a dynamic AMOLED 2x display which whose refresh rate is 120 Hz. But this Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus comes with a slightly smaller display, that is a 6.7 inches of Infinity O dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it is also a 120 Hz refresh rate display. But the difference between these two displays is this S21 Plus mobile display is only Full HD Plus resolution supported display. With this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile display is a Quad HD Plus supported display, and this S21 Plus mobile's display can shift from 48 to 120 Hz based on the content what are you seeing and what are you doing. But the S21 Ultra mobile's display can shift from 10 to 120 Hz. So, and when we talk about the variants, these tools are available in different variants, where this Samsung Galaxy S21 available in 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage and also 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are the UFS 3.1 storage capacities and the LPDDR5 RAM variants. We cannot get a expandable memory slot with this S21 Plus. With this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile also comes with a 3 different variants. Those are 12GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and also 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB internal 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and also 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, and we cannot expand the memory also in this mobile. And this is also a UFS 3.1 storage capacity, and it is also a LPDDR5 RAM. And when we talk about the process, these two mobiles are available in different processor variants, where these two mobiles comes with a almost equal process. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a 5nm build processor, and it also supports 5G. It is an octa-core processor clocked at 2.8 GHz. And these two mobiles are also available in another processor variant, that is Exynos 2100. It is also a 5nm build processor, and it is also supports 5G, and it is also a octa-core processor clocked at 2.8 GHz. And when we talk about the cameras, here this is the main section where we can find a big major difference between these two mobile cameras. For the rear cameras, this S21 Plus mobile comes with a triple cameras, where this S21 Ultra mobile comes with a penta cameras. That means 5 cameras at the back side of this mobile. First of all, this S21 Plus mobile comes with a 12 megapixels of wide angle camera, and also a 12 megapixels of and also a 10 megapixels of ultra wide angle, and also a 10 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. With this S21 Ultra mobile comes with a 5 cameras, 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and also a 12 megapixels of secondary camera, that is the ultra wide angle camera, and it also got the dual pixel autofocus like the Canon 200D. And this is also comes with a 10 megapixels of telephoto, and also a 10 megapixels of periscopic zoom lens. And it also got a 5th camera that is used for depth sensing, like a LiDAR scanner. And for the front facing selfie cameras, these two mobiles got also different cameras. But this S21 Plus mobile comes with a 10 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS using this mobile's front facing selfie camera. This S21 Ultra mobile comes with a 40 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and it is also used to shoot 4K 30 FPS videos. And using these two mobiles back cameras, we can shoot up to 8K 24 FPS and also 4K 120 FPS. Yes, to power these two beast mobiles, we also need a beast batteries. First of all, this S21 Plus mobile comes with a 4800 mAh of battery. This S21 Ultra mobile also comes with a bigger battery, slightly bigger battery, that is a 5000 mAh of battery. But there is no difference between the two mobiles charging. These two mobiles supports 25 watts of wide fast charging, and also a 15 watts of wireless, and also this mobile's battery supports reverse wireless charge up to 4.5 watts. So these are the main differences between these two mobiles. And there is also one more important, and this is the major difference I think, that is these two mobiles got this runs on Android version 11 and One UI 3.1, and these two mobiles does not got the micro SD card support, but these two mobiles also does not got a 3.5mm jack. These two mobiles got the stereo speakers, and these two mobiles also got glass backs. The major difference between these two mobiles are brightness. When it comes to brightness, this mobile can go up to 1300 nits, where this mobile can go up to 1500 nits. And this S21 Plus mobile does not comes with a S Pen support, where this mobile can have that feature. When we talk about the S Pen, this mobile does not comes with a S Pen included in the mobile like the Note 20 Ultra. Not like that. This mobile comes with a separate S Pen. We have to buy it separately for extra money, by paying extra money. This mobile have that feature. And these two mobiles also got the second gen ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that is more faster and more securable. And these two mobiles have major differences in the pricing. Yes, this is the section we got. This mobile starts from 81,999 rupees, where this S21 Ultra mobile starts from 1,06,000 rupees. Yes, literally almost 21,000 rupees higher. I'm not good at maths, so sorry for that. And yeah, I will leave a link to these two mobiles in the description box down below from the Amazon. You can buy it from there, and yeah, those are affiliate links. If you buy it from there, I will also get some commission to make the mobiles live. So these are the major importance between these two mobiles. There is not much difference between these two mobiles except the